Right.
Out of curiosity too, to piggyback, what are you guys' views on investor appetite for, investing in smaller banks? I'm assuming OTC certainly helps with that. I'm assuming there's interest as we have fewer banks for people that are actually wanting to be shareholders.
Absolutely. We just finished a capital raise, and we brought in 45 million, and we were oversubscribed to about 67 million, so we were able to cut it back. That's always a good feeling. So I think the appetite, again, coming back to that word I used earlier, scarcity, I think the appetite for well-run community banks is very good in the investor base. There's still, even though there's less community banks, the figure I was looking at, it looked like they disappeared by about one a business day last year. I think 256, there's 252 business days in a year. There aren't any less investment bankers by my last count. So, there's more people hunting, and I've had conversations with them before where, it's like, if you get everybody emanate out of existence, then where do you all go? But so I think some of them are actually starting to see that. I think some of the institutional investors are starting to see that. I'm not sure that changes their tolerance, per Glenn's comments about, performance is performance. But I do think that, again, coming back to QX, the credibility that the market has provided, and certainly the efficiency. I mean, it's just as efficient as any, market in existence right now. So I'm in a liquid stock. I trade pretty good volumes to, illiquid, and I think to a large degree my stock trades similar to what the market is doing because of the people that we have investing in our stock. But so it's worked really well for us.
We're an odd de novo. We had a stock symbol before we opened. Like, we used that weapon to help us raise capital. So, what do investors? I think the investors really love, just seeing a stock symbol. I think it gets you more people because you're on the index, but they can go on their phone and go, oh, how's the bank doing? Like, they want to look at it every day. So I think you get, I think we all strive to have as many customers as we can, be shareholders. We like that investor base. We love that investor base because I'm always on the shareholders to do business with the bank. We probably all have some institutional shareholders because you just need somebody to write a huge check along the way. So I think we're managing the mix of shareholders we have, but they're all different, and there's different constituencies for sure, in that base that I don't think gets as much airtime as probably it should. I mean, we have people that still have their original certificates in paper from the original raise.
Wow.
Paul and John, my opinion on the topic here is when you take a look at bank stocks, it's still a safe investment. We all went through the 2008-9 economic collapse. It happened, but again, it's still a safe investment in the end. And there's a segment of the market of investors that are out there who specialize in community banks or look at over-the-counter, hopefully QX type banks that will continue to invest in them, looking at a value stock. My opinion, a return on equity is a return on equity. If you are increasing earnings per share, you're not doing anything silly, you're performing for your stockholder, you're earning your money. So again, there is a need that's out there. There's a need for a good trading index for the stock, but very, very valid question. Again, it's in my opinion, you're going to find the stockholder who's looking for value.